So, it'd be included.
Here we go.
Then we had about 15 people on our boat.
It's crunch time, baby.
We got the other 2 solar panels installed on top of here.
Ready to finish this upgrade?
Worried about not sleeping because we were stressed.
We'll get it wrapped up before sailing on.
You're gonna work out right now?
Well, I have to.
There's definitely something going on.
And then the next catastrophe takes place. Ready? Let's do it. We just splashed a day ago. Today, the stainless guy is wrapping up our new solar arch while the solar guy is working with him to fit the panels.
What's up, Bryn? Alright, never mind.
That took one day. The next day was wild. The yard did us a favor and allowed us to use the haul-out slip to fit the new stainless, as well as a bunch of other things. So we backed Calypso in and got to work. Lots of work.
It is complete chaos today. So we pulled out of our slip, went and staged along the wall. Then we had about 15 people on our boat, off our boat, walking around the haul out point. We walked the boat to the haul out point. Why we needed so many people is because we have high winds and it's cement wall on both sides. It's crazy. We have people going up the mast. We have people installing solar and also welding a frame onto the back of our boat. Kids, it's just chaotic. My heart's been like at an all-time high of racing since I woke up this morning. So I wanted to grab this moment. Jeremiah grabbed the GoPro and the Insta360 and he's setting them up so you can kind of see the chaos. I'm gonna need a really stiff drink after this because I am like shaking. It's just too much going on at once, but really also thankful that all of it's getting done and taken care of. So I'm not upset. I guess I'm used to like things happening so slow or not happening on the boat, and now everything's happening. So I'm like, ah. So anyway, somebody's going up to the mast right now, and I thought I'd point this out because I didn't even know this, and this is really cool. So our winch button sticks when you're getting lifted up the mast. And this gentleman was worried because he's actually fallen down, I don't know, it was like a 150-foot boat mast, so who even knows how high that was. He fell for like a long drop, psyched him out, scared him, so he learned about this and I want to show you. Now our winch button sticks, so he was extra concerned. If you go into our area, which is right under the circuit board, you know where I am now, there's this little button, winch halyard. Right now, the winch is going, it's on. The red button is out. And there is no yellow tab like that one.
So I kind of jumbled up my words here, but basically the point was that if the winch button were to get stuck in the on position as the gentleman was going up the mast, I can press the red button on the halyard circuit breaker to kill the power to it, which would stop his ascent. That's better.
So I thought that was great, you know, and that's why I'm like, okay, I can grab my phone. He's also on speakerphone, so we can hear him if something happens. His wife's up there, she'll holler to me if something happens, and I can just do a little film about it. And once he's up there and tied off, he'll be all good. I can walk away, but many points of safety because you never know what can happen. If it doesn't stop, he just keep going. I learned something new today. Maybe you did too. How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. I'm a little shaky.
I'm gonna cut a piece of
Oh
our
my
boat out.
gosh.
This is for the lights. The trick is cutting it without cutting the wires.
Oh, okay.
I guess maybe I cut over here. And then the trim goes to here, so I'm not too worried about hitting that.
Oh, I know you don't like putting holes in the boat. How you guys doing?
Good.
Losing your minds a little bit? Are you used to it being so messy? You're used to it? We're not messy.
I am. I'm the messy one.
How are you doing?
Dad.
Good. Lots going on. Still no bedroom, but we might get that back one day. This is where he's putting all the stuff. Lots going on out here.
I'll be messing with the bottom. Yeah, just where it's hot. Yeah.
It's a little chaotic. Bryn's like, I live in chaos. I love it.
This took pretty much all day, but it got done. Then we took Calypso back to the slip for a few more days of solar installation.
Hey.
I figured I'd catch you right when it ended because I'm almost positive you're gonna go for that fridge.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a beer, but what a great day, dude.
I know.
Gosh, that was like another hugely productive day, which is, I mean, it's just insane.
This is where you come to get boat work.
I'm telling you, like,
I will never go anywhere else.
Alex killed it. His crew was great. He
Yeah,
was
that
great.
big juicy one is the cold one.
Thank you. Are you good?
Yeah.
It was amazing, the whole thing. Like, we got over there and we had to wait on the dock for a little while, but called the haul out. You know, this is power boat. Everybody's working hard all day. Alex did this phenomenal job on this freaking arch. It's amazing. And then Phil stayed longer and wrapped up a bunch of stuff. We got the other 2 solar panels installed on top of here. They're on there, like just tacked down, and then some of the components installed, and then we're gonna come finish all those components up. You and I are gonna run a couple of wires tomorrow and make it a little quicker.
Yeah, that's fine.
How about you? Did you enjoy today?
Yeah, I mean, it was a great day. We slept well, which we were worried about not sleeping because we were stressed. Docking went great. This place is just amazing. Even the dock people. Safe Harbor, Harbortown.
Yeah, Safe Harbor, Harbortown in
Marina.
Fort Pierce.
It's been a very productive, wonderful day. We even had separate people, a little family. It was really nice. Well, the guy has his own business, but his family came to help him run up the mast.
Yeah.
He got our antenna replaced and our anchor
Yeah.
light.
Yeah, I know. We had people working the winch and installing all this rack at the same time. Like, I was like a little worried. I was like, is this safe?
We had 12 people on the boat today.
Yeah.
And then we had 3 dock boys, so about 15 people
Yeah.
helping us.
Yeah. And it was amazing.
Yeah, it was really, and it's a Saturday. Like, I'm really thankful and
That was really great.
yeah.
Look at this. There's a bar right there. And it's like banging. And the haul out's right on the other side of the bar. Fuel dock. We got fuel on the way out. Tanks are topped. You want to see something cool that you've never seen before?
Sure.
So we have this thing right here, which is just like a piece of Dyneema that you pull down for the table. You flip this table over and then pull the Dyneema down and latch it on, that holds it up. Well, this is the mechanism for the Dyneema that I've just found for the first time.
So if it ever
So look,
breaks-
no, yeah, look, it's a look. Watch, so when I pull, go ahead, pull it and watch what happens up there. Isn't that interesting? That's a,
So if it ever breaks, because we were worried, we were concerned.
I
about that breaking.
thought it might have been just a spool right up in here, but no, that's what it is. It's like some weird pulley system with a piece of stretchy cord on it, like right here. This white cord is what's making it be stretchy. It's pretty cool. Let's have a couple beers.
I think we earned it.
Cheers.
All right, Jeremiah, we've been blasting today. These are in, they're just getting glued up. The charge controllers are all in. I'm leaving for the day, everything is shut off. Everything is on. I have left the floor open. I'll be working in here to secure this wire. And once again, I've just left my stuff on the inside of the door. So we'll continue tomorrow. But both that side and that side are all up and running. We'll just have to deal with those wires for the cabin top.
Starlink rocket. And there it goes.
It's bright. What's it doing? Like, who is on there? Is anybody on there?
That's just Starlink, like satellites. It's going right over us.
Really?
Look at that.
Oh, it's going fast. It's cooking.
It's like a line.
No, it's like mesmerizing. Look at that. It's like high up. What'd you say that is?
Oh, I don't know, but it's cooking.
Look at that.
That's cool, right?
Yeah, I've never seen like this close. It feels like you can almost just fly an airplane and touch it.
Over the next day or two, the technician finished up the solar and we got the boat back together, just in time for a nice weather window to sail south.
morning.
Hi.
How was your morning getting off the dock?
It was fine.
Yeah.
Good.
Hi, Bryn.
It's nice and calm out here.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a swell, but
Yeah.
not too bad.
I feel it.
Yeah.
Sure. Just going through my morning stuff. Doing all my stuff. How are you doing?
Good. We're just gonna motor. Like, there's no wind today. We're gonna motor down the coast and then pull in probably around 15:30 or so in West Palm Beach, where we could be staged for the crossing potentially tomorrow.
It's mother-in-law.
I haven't looked at that. I looked at today, but I haven't got anything. It's Sunday, of course, so we don't get a forecast till tomorrow. So I'll have to look.
Yeah.
Enjoy. How are you?
Really good. How are you?
Good.
It's beautiful. It's calm, kind of chilly. Lights everywhere. I love it.
I know.
I think it's ironic that the first time that we don't have to wait on weather and we have a great weather window, the last minute we see oil in our engines when everything else is running great.
Well, it's not in the engine; it's oil in the bilge.
Oh.
Yeah. So we got back yesterday and found some oil under the engine. So we need to figure out where that came from. I don't even know if it was new or old or what, but it wasn't there. So I think we're gonna postpone this trip over and just head south more.
Yeah, well, we don't want to go to remote places needing parts, and it's kind of weird that there's oil in there.
Yeah, and realistically, we just did a pretty major refit, and we just took one trip from when the shafts were removed. Somebody bent a linkage on our engine by accident, and so that same engine. So we really haven't had a chance to shake it down. So it's a good idea we'll head south. We'll continue to look at the motor, make sure everything's good, and the next weather window will be a little bit better, like as far as like our angle to go to the Bahamas across the Gulf Stream. So in the meantime, we can slow down a little bit. We can do a little bit of work. I see you're going to start working out. That's good, because that's another thing. We've been going so much that neither one of us is really working out. So, we can get back to like a nice little steady pace.
Yeah, I'm going to do that now before the kids wake up.
You're going to work out right now?
Well, I have to, because once they wake up, it's
I know, like
chaotic.
crumb snatchers. I know.
Be easy, and it's cooler now, so.
Yeah. All right, well, you enjoy. So I don't see any leaks, so we'll run it, monitor it.
Yeah. There's definitely something going on.
Yeah, we'll know it today.
What's the plan?
I'm gonna run it today. Yesterday we got here, I looked in the bottom and there was more oil than I expect to see. It might be old, I don't know. Maybe the yard did an oil change and they spilled some oil down there, I don't know. But anyway, ran the engine last night, couldn't find a leak. We cleaned it all up to this morning and I'm not seeing a leak. So we'll see, maybe it's when it's at a higher RPM, whatever. We'll go, I'll check it throughout the day and then see what we have at the end of the day.
What's the deal?
With what?
Our engine.
So when we were in the yard, when we put the boat in the water, like the starboard engine was like it was like running really low idle. It was almost choking out and it wouldn't advance throttle. Went down there and found out the arm that is on the engine that swings like this, the throttle cable pushes it. Somebody had like done something where they caught it or whatever. They bent that arm up. We took it off. We bent it back down. We took off yesterday in the passage and we got here and it turned out we had a whole bunch of oil under the engine. So we couldn't figure out what it was. We ran it, couldn't find an oil leak, whatever. So we were like, let's run it today when we're going. So we did, and we saw it. It's coming right out of that arm. Took it apart, and there's an O-ring that wasn't put on. When they put it back together, they must have forgot the O-ring. So we went ahead and next stayed the O-ring here, and now we've just been sitting here in a nice spot.
I found a UPS store. I called them. They are 1.1 miles away. However, we have to walk
over the bridge. It's a mile walk. It'll be a good walk.
That'd be fun.
Get over there, get our part tomorrow. That'll get us off the boat. I think we're gonna get off the boat and run the dinghy too today, 'cause
Yeah.
I want to see how that is. Slap our sticker on there. And yeah, we're just hanging out. It's a nice, relaxing, cool day. It's beautiful. The scenery is great. I'm a little like stir crazy. I've been bugging you while you're relaxing. I hope you don't mind.
I've been going all day.
I know. Just waiting on the kids to finish up their naps and alone time, and then we'll head on out of here.
Coming up next time,
Heading on out of here to go pick up the part. All it took.
we've got parts in hand.
Oh, it's YouTube. Okay. What's up?
Then I start to go a little crazy.
Okay, go ahead.
You know, things don't always go according to plans.
We'll show you what it's like when a tiny part ruins weeks of planning.
Boaters getting mad at other boaters.
You can visit us at www.thelazygeckos.com. You can also see more on our server and Vimeo channels. Please subscribe and check out these other episodes. See you next time.